able to reach our goals and praying for saying goodbye to the people who became a part of our lives. My fellow brothers, we are now a step closer to reaching our dreams. Thank you to all our dear teachers for the knowledge you have given us, and all those lessons you have shared with us. Thank you to our alma mater, Meta Elementary School.
All the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum for the school year 2023-2024, and that they are ready for your acceptance and confirmation, ma'am.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by our school's division superintendent, Reynante A. Solitario Sesufay, and with the certification and recommendation by the school head, Ma'am Gloria Don D. Cortez, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the elementary level under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby accept and confirm you graduates for school year 2023-2024. Therefore, you are now entitled to receive your certificate of diploma and enjoy whatever benefits and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations!
Claudine Christian J.A. Claudine De La Rosa Welron J. Egalan AJB.
EY Marty Drake M. Kamsa Kevin Dave T. Labaho Kent Michael D. Nico G. Libradilia Simon Ethan A. Medel Raiden. Moscare James Santi N. Ragoton Jello E. Saavedra Reynolds Cian M. Sardido John Paul S. Soriano John Ivan L. Sumila Genmar P. Dotanes Gian.
May we request before our session